In this video tutorial, we will cover the process of finding and registering the license key in the bTheme dashboard. First, visit the ThemeForest page and log in. Now hover over your account name and click on the Downloads link inside the drop-down menu. Download the purchase code from the drop-down menu. You can download your license key in PDF and text format. Log in your WordPress account and click on the bTheme at the upper left-hand side in the dashboard. Open your license file and copy the purchase code. Paste the key in the theme registration bar and click on Register Theme. Your theme is now registered. Please remember that one license key can be used only for one final website at the same time. It is also essential to check the System Status tab. If any of the values are red, it means that your hosting is limited and those values should be increased. You should contact your hosting provider for that. With a registered theme, you can get lifetime free updates of your theme and premium bundled plugins. You can also import any of the pre-built websites. If you have any issues or questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.